guys, and welcome to the Wise Ways channel. In today's episode you will watch all kinds of encounters that drivers recorded on dashcam. All clips used in this episode are for educational purposes only. This is why Pennsylvania is ranked among the worst roads in the United States. Crash happened when one of the drivers started to drive in opposite direction. This truck driver recorded a few incidents that happened on the road.
Why are we holding up? What are we doing? Green arrow, dude! Green arrow! What are you doing?
Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't believe they didn't get hit on either side.
Drivers united to give a hand in freeing a friend who was stuck. Driver failed to spot that traffic ahead was stopped.
All the way to Vancouver in one day without
Camaro tried to push his way into the lane and ends up in a crash.
Because obviously your neck is already taking up the slack, as it were, so there is no whiplash to be had. There's always got a bit of padding. You have to make sure your seat's adjusted correctly. But we'd smooth out the ergonomics of this.
Strong crosswind caught the car and pushed the car across the icy highway.
Whoa. Honey, I can't. Holy Jesus Christ. Hold on, we're going back up.
Luckily, driver managed to get back on the road without damaging the car.
Jesus!
White car driver merged into the side of another vehicle. As the driver said, the white car didn't even bother to stop on the next exit.
Don't do it, asshole! Dickhead! Oh! I think you just hit the side of my car. The person that was changing lanes right into me.
Progress, as it turns out, and also of educational status among children. And so there are both ethical and technical reasons why that might be a bad idea. And we can shake our fingers at you because you're not doing that, and to some degree, perhaps that's appropriate. But more importantly, if we do see something like incremental progress in that direction, and we want to facilitate it, we should be saying, hey, look, man, and this is what's happening on the Abraham Accord side, is for all of your faults and ours, let's point out, this looks like a nice move forward.
It is a dark gray Dodge Challenger. He went by too fast and he was off on the left shoulder, then off on the right shoulder, almost hit a car. Oh, what's that over there? They had the guardrail. Holy crap. What the heck was it? What was it? Can you tell? Can you tell? Oh, there's another one down there.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.